Hi everyone, let us continue with the chapter Reproduction Organisms Part 4. Okay, and in previous video we have learned about the pre-fertilization events. What are the events in sexual reproduction? One is pre-fertilization events, next one is fertilization, and third one is post-fertilization events. And now we are going to talk about fertilization events. What is fertilization? The fusion of male gamete and the female gamete is called as fertilization. So, the main event that takes place in sexual reproduction is fertilization. Fusion of male and female gamete. So, this is called as fertilization. So, what is the other term which is referred here is syngamy. So, it is always called as syngamy. So, when male gamete and the female gamete fuses, it results in the formation of zygote. Right? So, this process of fusion of male and the female gamete, either it is referred to as syngamy or you call this to be fertilization. So, in case if the fertilization does not occur, what will happen? Or the syngamy, if it does not occur, what will happen? Examples, if you talk about rotifers, then honeybees, then some lizards and birds. Turkey, very good example. Here, what happens here is fertilization does not occur, right? So, what is this called as? Parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis. So, what will happen here? If the fertilization does not occur, the female gamete undergoes development and it produces an organism. In that case, without fertilization, you call this process to be parthenogenesis. So, very good example here is rotifer, honeybee, some lizards, and example birds, turkey. Okay, right. And now we are going to learn about two types of fertilization. There are two types of fertilization. One is the external fertilization, the other one is the internal fertilization. So, what is meant by external? External means if the fertilization occurs outside, then you call it as external fertilization. So, how can it occur outside? It normally occurs in the outside medium. And again, what type of an example here you can give? Normally, fishes and amphibians. Okay, the fertilization occurs in the outer medium. Example here, water, right? Water is the outside medium where fertilization occurs. Or you can give example, what are the examples? Fishes, right? And amphibians. So, in these cases, what happens? The gametes are released in the water. So, organisms, those exhibit this type of external fertilization, they synchronize between the sexes and they produce large number of gametes, right? They release large number of gametes inside the water. So, in that case, fertilization takes place in the water. The male gamete and the female gamete, if it fuses inside the water, that is outside the body, right? Okay, outside, it occurs in the medium. What is that medium here? Water. In that case, you call this to be external fertilization. Then, very common example, bony fishes. So, bony fishes and frogs, if you see, large number of gametes are being released. Right? In that case, large number of offsprings are produced due to fertilization because fertilization occurs in the water. So, large number of offsprings can be produced. But one major disadvantage what you have to remember here is They are vulnerable to the predators. So survival is very difficult here. That is the one reason here. What is the main disadvantage what you have to remember here? They are vulnerable to predators. Many offsprings that are produced, with the help of external fertilization. Right? Okay. And then next, when we learn about the other type of fertilization. What is the other type of fertilization? Internal fertilization. So what is internal fertilization? If the fusion of male gamete and the female gamete, if it occurs in the body of the female, body of the organism, in that case what happens? You call this to be internal fertilization. Right? Okay, so the male gamete is normally motile. What is that motile? Male gamete is motile. Motile means movable. Okay, so it reaches the female gamete for the fusion to occur. So when the male gamete move towards the female gamete, okay, when they fuse, it results in fertilization. As a result of fertilization, what is formed? Zygote is formed, which develops into an embryo. Right? Here, what are the examples here you can give? Majority of animals if you take. Okay, so birds, mammals. Okay, and when you talk about the plants, what about plants? Majority of plants examples, right? Bryophytes, then pteridophytes, angiosperms, gymnosperms, right? In all these cases, what happens? Internal fertilization takes place. If we talk about majority of animals, birds, mammals, right? So what type of fertilization take place there? Internal fertilization take place here. So it occurs inside the body of the organism. But one case here, in seed plants, what will happen in seed plants? The male gamete is non-motile. Male gamete is non-motile. You have to be very careful, okay? Where you have to just make a note of it. In seed plants, male gamete will be non-motile. So how will the male gamete reach the female gamete? With the help of the pollen tube. Right? Okay, so these are the two types of fertilization. One is internal fertilization, the other one is the external fertilization. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe my channel and follow me on Facebook and Insta. Thank you.